Your Android phone may be sharing your personal data right now, even if you never installed any suspicious apps. Your location, your phone number, and your activity can be accessed through simple system settings. The good news, you can stop most of this in just a few minutes. Stay with me, because these settings can protect your privacy and reduce scam calls instantly. Many Android phones come with tracking features enabled by default. These settings are meant for convenience, but they also expose your data to advertisers, third-party services, and sometimes even scammers. Most users never check these options. That's why spam calls, random messages, and targeted ads keep increasing. Now let me show you exactly what to turn off. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy. Then tap Ads. Here, turn on Delete Advertising ID or Limit Ad Personalization, depending on your Android version. This stops apps from tracking your activity and linking it to your phone number. Next, go back to Privacy and tap Permission Manager. Check permissions like location, phone, microphone, and contacts. If an app doesn't need access, set it to Don't Allow or Allow Only while using. This single step blocks many background data leaks. Now scroll to Google in Settings and tap Manage your Google account. Open Data and Privacy. Turn off Web and App Activity. Location History. And Ad Personalization. This prevents Google from constantly tracking your usage. Open your phone app. Tap Settings. Enable Caller ID and Spam Protection. This reduces scam and spam calls automatically. These simple settings can protect your privacy and make your phone safer. If this helped you, subscribe for more Android tips and phone setting fixes. Thanks for watching.